Edward Stevenson with TimelessWealth.net, and this is a trade of the day with Flagstar Bancorp Inc, stock symbol FBC. We'll talk about the importance of reviewing your homework from the prior evening. This one came up on our scan. It showed no sign of reversal coming off of Tuesday's trading session, just dropped completely down. In fact, if we break this down to the 1 minute chart and we scroll back, you can see the price action towards the latter half of Tuesday's trading session was definitely not encouraging. Volume picked up as investors began to sell this one off. So a bearish signal, no sign of reversal. Nonetheless, this one dropped some 20% on the session for no apparent reason, no reason that we could find or justify the drop in price with. So we decided to monitor this market. At times you'll find a reversal signal appears in the marketplace during the trading session. So this was an intraday trading signal, and this turned out to be our trade of the day. We'll explain in a minute. This chart here summarizes the intraday price action to FBC on Wednesday's trading session. You can see it opened up surprisingly with a gap up. Then it pulled back as traders realized it was a premature gap that occurred after a bearish close on Tuesday's trading session. However, we saw the price peak at this point and realized there may be some potential for upside movement, seeing how a lot of these banking stocks tend to model Dow Jones, which was trending very nicely in the morning and actually ended up with a very bullish trading session. So this is the key breakout we were watching for, 260 per share. So once we saw that 260 would fall, we hopped in. That was our buy signal, and secondary confirmation came with the break of 267. So this next horizontal line that we drew in broke above that, bullish signal, moved up, pulled back and tested supporting trend line, and actually headed back upwards. Now it became a matter of where do we take profits. We decided on a conservative gain just above 10%, even though this channel here was actually about 11.5, and collectively, assuming you got in on our buy signal at 260 and got out at the high in the session, that could have been as much as a 15% gain. All in all, a good trade, which makes it our trade of the day. If there are any questions, please feel free to contact us. And once again, this was Edward Stevenson with TimelessWealth.net. Thank you for listening.